Hey guys, it's Becky and Ranger Rick, and today we're going to be doing a nature video about some of nature's most goodest trees, shrubs, and wildlife. And we just wanted to make this video so that you would know more about nature instead of me and Rick just knowing it. This here's Queen Anne's lace. See this? You can barely see it, but there's a purple flower in the center of the flower. That's ruling over all the other flowers. It's the queen. See this root? It tastes like carrot. Tastes like carrot and dirt. Yum. Queen Anne's lace can often be confused with poisonous hemlock. One bite of that sucker and you're surely dead. This here's a cattail because it looks like the tail of a cat. This here is a black alder. It's indigenous to our county, and you're free to damage it as much as you want because it's destroying our wetlands. Oh wow, more black alder. It's a feisty beast. This here's a Norwegian spruce. It's called that because it's from Norwegia. Duh! Now it's time for scenic views with Ranger Rick. Wow, Rick, you can always find the best views. The macroinvertebrates in this water help increase the water quality. Thanks, guys! And remember, kids, don't litter.